Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify identity on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Coinbase application. After this, open the application and create your account if you don't have an account. So first of all, let me just open the Coinbase application. So as you can see from here, the application actually open and that will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. So as we said, we would like to actually verify our identity on Coinbase application. So all we need to do is just head to our settings or our account setting, and from here all you need to do is just go to your account option here and click on add limits and features. So from here, if you didn't verify your photo ID yet, you will have this option right here. All you have to do is just go and click on that and verify a photo ID to determine if you are eligible for higher limits. You will need to, so we don't care about the limits right now. All we need to do is just verify our photo ID. If you click on that, it would actually load a bit. So as you can see, verify your photo ID. If you didn't do it and sign in or into the registration, you will need to do it right here. So just go and click continue. Of course, you would like to select the ID type, which is like ID card or passport. Choose whatever you have. So when you click on that, it will actually open your camera. All you need to do is just scan or take a picture of your passport or the ID card, whatever you choose. Just take a picture from here, click on this, yes, looks good, and you will be actually good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.